Meantime, as South Florida remains essentially shut down, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis is so far refusing to extend that order statewide. CBS 4's Hank Tester has joined the millions working from home as we continue social distancing. He is live from his own home office. How's that working out, Hank?
Well, it's working out, and here we are. Republican Governor Ron DeSantis is holding firm on not declaring a mandatory statewide at-home order. And tonight, Florida Democrats, congressional Democrats such as Debbie Wasserman Schultz and Ted Deutsch and Donna Shalala are firing right back.
Governor, you're standing in a county where a stay-at-home order is about to go into effect. A member of your own cabinet calling for a statewide stay-at-home order. What would you say to the Floridians who are seeing this patchwork quilt across the state and seeing the mixed messages? And
It's not a mixed message. Dr. Birx yesterday said what a thoughtful, data-driven approach Florida has had. Dr. Fauci said not every instrument is appropriate in every population in the country. And so we have a situation here where, we obviously have outbreak in Southeast Florida, so they've gone to a stay-at-home.
Over 2,000, make that 245,000 people have signed a petition urging the governor to shut down the state. Meanwhile, DeSantis even has doubts about the school shutdowns.
I think there's a question about whether the school closures have been effective. There's really no evidence. It was recommended, and we kind of work with our Commissioner of Education work. I think Singapore, I don't think they closed the schools. Some of the others didn't. And there's no difference in how the virus spread in either of the countries based on that. It just wasn't there's not a lot of data to support it. So you need to look to say, okay, if the schools are closed, then what stress does that put on the parents? If you have someone who's working in healthcare, how are they going to be able to take care of the kids? And so there's second and third order consequences from some of this that I think people, really need to think through.
Well, back live here, we can tell you DeSantis favors a more surgical approach here. Democrats, they disagree. They don't think that that the situation for the governor is working out well at all. They want a shutdown, and a shutdown immediately. That's the very latest and live from my library. I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4 News Tonight. Back to you.
All right, we like to see that library. Hank, thank you very much.